In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the Outlook toolbar. If your Outlook toolbar seems to be missing, don't worry. This is usually just a display setting, and it's very quick to change once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process in a simple way, so you can follow along and get your toolbar showing the way you want. To begin, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is fully open, look toward the top area of the window, because that's where the toolbar and ribbon settings are controlled. Next, click on View. This section contains options that affect how Outlook looks, including the layout of the ribbon. If the toolbar is hidden or appears different than expected, this is often the best place to start. After you click View, look for the Ribbon option. In this area, select Simplified Ribbon. Choosing this setting will display the ribbon in a cleaner, more compact format. This can help if you want the toolbar visible, but in a version that takes up less space on the screen. It's especially useful if you prefer a less crowded look, while still keeping the main tools available. If you later decide you want the full toolbar back, or if you want to switch from the simplified view, look for the small arrow near the ribbon area. Clicking that arrow lets you bring it back to the fuller version. This is a handy toggle to remember because it gives you quick control over how much of the toolbar is shown. One helpful tip is to pay attention to whether Outlook is displaying a simplified ribbon or a more expanded one, because that can make it seem like tools have disappeared when they're really just being shown in a different format. If something looks missing, it's often just minimized or switched to another ribbon view. So again, the process is simple. Open Outlook, click View, choose the ribbon option and select Simplified Ribbon. Then, if you want the toolbar back in its larger format, click the arrow to switch it back. That's all it takes to show and manage the Outlook toolbar. Once you know where these settings are, it becomes much easier to adjust Outlook so it looks and works the way you prefer.